What's up YouTube, Kai here, bringing you an action figure review. Today we're looking at the Spirit of Splinter action figure from NECA Toys. This is an exclusive figure that came with the Lootcrate that's themed around the original Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 1990 movie. Very cool figure, and he's translucent and supposed to recreate that scene from the movie where Splinter visits them as the spirit in the campfire as they're together to encourage them to come back and basically save New York. And really love this movie, so I'm very excited to get into this review. So basically it's the same sculpt as the original Splinter figure that NECA has released that was either in their San Diego Comic-Con capture of Splinter pack or the more recently GameStop exclusive Shredder set that came out in the Wave 2. And as of right now, this figure is only available through that Lootcrate. And you can see he's cool, he's translucent, comes with very cool accessories to give the turtles if you already have them. And it's awesome. So let's get into this review. Okay, and here it is in all its glory with the lights out. We have the glowing LED campfire, which is very nice here. We have Mikey's marshmallows there that come on a stick and they're all roasted. And then we have Donatello. He's holding the bag of marshmallows there. Here's the campfire. Let's look at that. Put that in focus a little bit. Nice solid piece here. And then of course we have Splinter. Now this campfire isn't as bright as it appears on your screen right now. I do have another light coming from underneath to really make the scene look a little more cinematic here. But it is a very cool effect. Splinter has a very nice translucent effect going on here. And we'll see how many times I'll say effect in this review. But here we are. That's basically the glow on its own. And I have a little light here that's making it super bright, right? But you see Splinter is very translucent. Let's bring this down a bit. Right? His robe is translucent. It's very nice. And we'll take a closer look at his paint in a second. But his whole body is translucent, and NECA added brown and blue accents to different places here. You can see his robe has a nice, like, oily, iridescent look. I don't know what the right word is, but you catch my drift. It has, like, little pixie dust green sparkles on it. And just has a very, very nice effect. Alright, let's take a closer look here. You can see Splinter has brown wash on the top of his head. Because NECA, I guess, is trying to capture how the glow is coming from underneath him. So the top has that brown look. His eyes have little white dots in it to show like white glowing pupil. It's a very nice effect. You can see more closely the robe here, which is very nice. Now the one that he originally comes with is all beat up and tapered. And this one's much clearer. If I recall in the movie, I do think it's also beat up and tapered, but for the figure it works fine. You can see the joints here, how cool it is. Let's bring that light back. We can really show up close how he looks here. Camera's freaking out, it doesn't even know how to focus on it. But yeah, his sculpt is very nice. If you have the other Splinter figure, like I said, it's the same exact sculpt. The robe is different and he has a different color scheme. So you can see here he has the brown wash on the outside of the legs here. It's almost super blue right in the crotch area. And we have brown on the top of the hands as well. But very nice, clean looking figure. Now for the campfire, this is a pretty nice solid piece here. It looks familiar. I think they've used this in a Jason or Friday the 13th figure. This flame effect seems very familiar to me. But you see they kind of dry brush this very nice almost snowy effect on the rocks, but it's supposed to, you know, give off the feeling that it's glowing. So at the bottom, nice and clear, smooth, solid piece. We have a little switch here that turns on the flicker effect. And let's bring down our main light a bit so we can see that a little more clearly. And let's bring it down all the way to see its full effect. So very nice. On camera it looks great. In person it looks good as well. Very nice piece here. I like the sculpting of the rocks, the branches that are thrown in there. I can't wait to take these guys out and put them in the woods. I live in New York City, so it takes some time to find woods out here. Maybe Central Park or something. But I do take really cool photographs of figures. If you guys want to check out my action figure account on Instagram, I love taking pictures of figures. I've probably been doing it for about a decade now, putting them in real environments and making them look cool. Here, let's take a closer look at this. You have the nice roasted effect on these marshmallows. They're turning a little golden there and brown on the edges. NECA did their research on how to make marshmallows look appetizing. And it's a very nice piece. It's pretty sturdy. I don't have any concerns of it breaking. Very nice here. Donnie's got our bag of marshmallows. Let's take that out. Put you back down. This has great detail. I love when action figure companies make these translucent products here. Jumbo marshmallows, it says. And we have a nice translucent effect of the marshmallows actually inside this bag, which is very nice. And just to compare these two guys, you can see they have the same sculpt. Totally different feels, totally different material of the robe here. Both are very nice. And that's just a quick comparison for you guys. And we're going to do a little plug. We're just going to show this cool Secret of the Ooze shredder I did. While you guys are here, I think you'd appreciate this. I have a video posted of how I made him, how I put him together, and a little review on him. So if you guys want to check that out, feel free to check it out. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up this review. I really, really like this figure. I love the fact that it completely changes the way you display the turtles. They don't have to be fighting or have these really cool action poses, but something as simple as this just really creates a very cool mood. And this figure single-handedly does that. It just changes the way that the turtles look on the shelf and the way they're displayed, especially with the accessories that he comes for the turtles, like the marshmallows, the marshmallow bag, the campfire. It's just all very, very cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And if you didn't back the Loot Crate, hopefully NECA re-releases this in some kind of way so you don't have to pay those big scalper prices on eBay or secondhand sites. But nevertheless, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'll see you guys next time. Keep collecting, have fun, and take care. I'll see you later.